And the third category. So in today's video, we'll be training I love peaches, I love you. Nahi gir rahi. Hi guys, welcome back to Prefit, the space where we empower women to feel consistent, confident and strong in every way. So in today's video, we'll be training I love peaches, I love you. You got me, babe, I got you, babe. So after this video, you will know exactly how to train those peaches. Alright girls, before jumping into the workout, I want you guys to know that glute growth and shape are influenced by genetics. Yes, I know nobody really talks about it, but that's so true, and let me explain it to you. So there are 4 shapes of glutes: round, square, V and heart. And I got bigger heart, guys. Mentally maybe I'm depressed, but genetically I'm blessed. So what decides your natural glute shape? The very first thing, where your body stores fat, and that depends on genetics and hormones. And the second thing is muscle attachment point, the way your glute muscles, maximus, medius and minimus, are connected to your bones, that can decide the shape of your glutes. And the third thing is if you naturally have more fast twitch muscle fiber. Now what is that? Muscle in your body that helps you move more quickly and powerfully. So you might build glute faster than someone with more slow twitch fibers. And I know कि तुमने सब try कर लिया, फिर भी glutes नहीं बढ़ रहे. क्यों? Because you don't know the science behind it. Girls, don't just randomly follow everything you see online. Being in fitness for quite a long time, इतना तो मुझे समझ आ गया है कि किसने माल चलाया है. And definitely camera angles, editing, and some girls just naturally have more fat distribution in their lower body. So basically there are 3 glute muscles. The very first is the gluteus maximus, the biggest part where we all spank. The second one is the gluteus minimus, and the third one is the gluteus medius. If you are someone with the hip dips, you gotta train this muscle a little harder. But again, the larger the gap between the bones right there, the more visible hip dips will gonna be. And my lovely ladies, please accept the body type that you have been given naturally. You don't need a man to love you. You can love yourself enough.
Emotional, damn it!
So the theory part is done, and now it's time for the practical. And girls like to swing. Leg swing करेंगे guys सबसे पहले. Left, right, both sides, 10 times. Alright, so let's jump into the main stretching जो है leg day से हम पहले करते हैं, and that's called dynamic stretching. उसमें क्या होता है, अपने मसल को वार्म अप करना होता है और मोबिलिटी इंक्रीज करनी होती है वर्कआउट से पहले. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट विल बी फॉरवर्ड लंज टू हैमस्ट्रिंग स्ट्रेच. इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर तो पैर ऊपर उठ सकता है, बट ट्राई कि वो जमीन पर ही रहे. फॉरवर्ड लंज की पोजीशन में जाना है, एंड देन हैमस्ट्रिंग स्ट्रेच बोथ साइड्स 10 times. Okay, so the next one is 90-90. You have to place your legs like it's in a 90-degree angle, and when you are moving, you are not supposed to move your hip. And basically ये glute workout है, तो hip opening is very much important. Floor का support ले सकते हो, or else you can just do it this way, 10 to 15 times. Okay, and the next one is leg raises seated में. हाथ वैसे आगे रखने होते हैं, but you can also place it here. Overall leg का warm up होता है इससे. 10 times both sides. Okay, so the next one is again hip opening के लिए, और उसमें hamstring भी होगा. You have to go down, hold your feet or floor like this, and then basically in Malasana, and then hamstring stretch. Again 10 to 15 times. Ignore my choti guys. पूरा सर पे आ गया. Let's go for the workout. So divide the workout into the 3 categories. The very first is the compound movement, in which you can perform the exercises like wide stance squat, sumo reps, or the OG hip thrust. The second category is the isolation movement, in which you can perform the exercise like kickbacks or the hip adduction machine. And the third category is the single leg movement, in which you can either perform the split squats, reverse lunges, or maybe the deficit reverse lunges. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. And from the first category, compound movement, I'll be performing the hip thrust. So first of all, you need a bench, and I would prefer doing it on Smith. थोड़ा सा जो movement है वो control हो जाता है. वेट स्टार्ट करूंगी उससे पहले आई शो यू. यू हैव टू कम हेयर, बैक यहाँ पे रहेगी, चिन टक्ड इन, जहाँ तक हाथ जा रहे हैं वहाँ से नीज नीचे जाएगा और यहाँ से पेल्विस भी टक्ड इन होगा. सो सिर्फ हिप नीचे जाएगा एंड देन अप. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू डू दिस. कंट्रोल्ड मूवमेंट एंड देन दिस. नाउ लेट्स डू इट विद द वेट्स. Again. ब्रीद इन करते हुए नीचे और 1 सेकेंड का होल्ड ऊपर. चिन टक्ड इन. डोंट डू दिस. Alright, so let's go for the second one. Second one is the isolation and I'll be doing the hip adduction. इसमें एक चीज है. I'm gonna go with the heavy weight first. थोड़ा सा आगे lean forward करके 10 reps like this. 1 second का hold. When we are going out, 1 second hold and then come up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then थोड़ा सा वेट डिक्रीज करके then leaning forward. Sorry, backward. 5 रेप ऐसे. This is very good for hip dips, so it is not that something we can work on, but it works here on the medius part, which will gonna give that, bubble butt, we can say. So I have it naturally. Third category is the single leg movement, in which I'll be performing the deficit reverse lunges. Deficit is what that you kind of create a deficit. I will not be doing it directly on the floor. I'll be doing it with the stepper. And of course, I love my shoes, bade ke hain, so gotta remove it. इसमें एक चीज़ है कि that depends कि weight opposite side जाता है या same side जाता है. I prefer it on the opposite side, उससे जो है balance बन जाता है. So working leg के opposite side पे dumbbell, you gotta balance it, guys. It's not easy, and if you are a beginner, I would suggest कि आप floor पे करो. So you have to go down. ऊपर आना है तो पैर इतना ही होगा, पूरा रखना नहीं है. So glutes की 3 exercises हो गई. Now I'm gonna do the hamstring and quality over quantity, guys. I don't do much. मैं week में 2 बारी leg strain करती हूँ, so I'm just gonna do the hamstring curl now. Knees lock, lean backward, एकदम tight, and then पूरा. For the better stretch, पूरा leg को खोलो ऊपर आके. So that's about it, girls. I hope this video helped you that why your glutes look the way they do and how workout, genetics and consistency all play a role. And please don't let a filtered photo or a perfect angle se ली गई reel to question your progress, okay? So many of peachy glutes that you see online are built on different camera angles, editing apps, and even sometimes silicone pads are there. So love your body at every stage. You are supposed to train to look stronger, healthier, and confident version of yourself, not to look like me or any other influencer. So I'll see you in the next one.